has a S29 foldable drone on the other side. Which one is this one? Okay, we're getting a trend here. This is the second gray case. These cases have this like not it's fake, it's like a fabric material, and it feels to be over some kind of hard, flexible plastic material. But this one's perhaps a bit thicker than this one. So this one, I believe, seems to be like an upgraded version of the previous one. It's also not in black. It's in like a slightly lighter gray. This one seems to charge with USB-C, yeah. And these lights on the back also will glow when it's put in. In fact, I can turn this one on. So this is an arm, and this is how big it is. Well, let me put down the battery. This is how big it is against my hand. All right, let's open that up. You have to open the arms in the correct order, otherwise they'll get stuck. All right. So that's how big that is. It's still not as big as the first one, but it's a probably in between. So this one just fits in to that slot there, like that. And that just stays in. It's wedged in, and you can pull it out. And you can do that to all the arms. It comes with instructions. It comes with USB-C cable. It comes with 2 batteries. One of them is currently in here. The battery has the light on it already. So if I turn this on, you can see that the red light is there on the battery, which is also used to indicate its charge level. And the blinking blue, which is currently blinking because it's not connected. All of these quadcopters work well. I mean, I can show you what it looks like when one of them is powered on, couldn't I? Just maybe a peek. I don't know if this one has batteries in it. I might have taken the batteries out of this one because one of them didn't come with batteries. Which one didn't come with batteries? I believe it may have been this one that didn't come with batteries, because all the others did, and I put them in. All right, let's turn this off. This one flew okay. In fact, its name is Overflew for some reason. I don't want it flying over anything. Well, I suppose. It overflew? Past tense. Last one. The Plegble. The Plegble. This is the only one that has the brand's name on it, the only box, and it's in silver. This is the PL515. This is the only black box, which I like, but it also just has the regular, let's see, yeah, the regular, like, plasticky fabric material. It feels kind of like this one. Let's see, which one does it feel like more? Yeah, about the same. This one also comes with the plug-in bumpers that just slide into the arms. It also comes with USB-C, so that's good. I like to see that. And the extra propellers and the small screwdriver and some paperwork. And it has this kind of controller with the instructions on it. And what I mean by that is that I can put my phone in there and I can clamp it from this direction, so I can, when I'm using the app, I can see what I'm looking at through the cameras. Same instructions, same buttons, they do the same things as the others. The buttons on the top here, this one is usually for a flip. I couldn't get the flip to work, to be honest. And this one is to increase the speed. But since I was flying inside, I didn't want to change the speed of it. But this one feels the most durable. This one had the best camera, I believe, because this can actually shoot in 4K. So it had the best camera. Also, I like the lights on this the best. The whole top is blue. Then there's also the red on the bottom here, on the bottom of the arms and the bottom of the drone. So you can know it's a drone